Fourth grade into math lesson 2.2, part 2. So we're going to do 2, 3, and 4, and it says estimate and find the difference. So to estimate our first one, 518,112, we're going to look at the highest place value. There's a 5 there. Is it going to be 500,000 or 600,000? 500,000. Minus, is it going to be 200,000 or 300,000? 300,000. And what's the difference? 200,000, right? Okay. Now, the actual problem. Can I take 3 from 2? No. So this becomes a 12. Can I take 6 from 1? Oh, what did I forget to do? We've got 1 become a. Okay, so for me to write down there, that's kind of hard. So 518,112 minus 295,763. So we said this had to become a 12. I went next door and took 10 more, so that becomes a 0. Can I take 6 from 0? No. No. So this becomes a 10, and this becomes a 0. Can I take 7 from 0? No. No. So this becomes a 10, and this becomes a 7. Can I take 5 from 7? Yes. Yes. You don't need to go next door, but can I take 9 from 11 or 1? No. No. So it becomes an 11, and this 5 becomes a 4. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 7 is 7 minus 5 is 11 minus 9 is 4 minus 2 is 2. So my actual answer is 222,349. Could that be a possible answer? Yes. Okay. So because 222,349 is close to 200,000, correct? Okay. Let's estimate for number 3. Is that going to be 500,000 or 600,000? 600,000. Minus, is that going to be 40,000 or 50,000? 50,000. 0 minus 0 is 0. 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 This 0 becomes a 10, and this 6 becomes a 5. 10 minus 5 is 5, and bring down the 5. So our estimated value is 550,000. Okay, let's do the actual. So you work it on your paper. I'm working over here to the side. And that should be a 9. 3 minus 1. Can I do that? Yeah. Yep. 2. 2 minus 1. 1. Can I take 9 from 0? No. So this becomes a 10. And then I go next door, take 10 more, so this becomes a 6. Can I take 8 from 6? No. So it becomes 16, and this becomes a 5. Can I take 4 from 5? Yeah. So we're good to go, right? Okay. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. And bring down my 5. So I get 518,112. Is that close to 550,000? Yeah, when you're getting up there with that big a number. Okay. Number 5, estimate. So is that going to be 5,000 or 6,000? 6,000. Minus, is that going to be 2,000 or 3,000? 3,000. So our estimate is going to be 3,000, right? Okay. Our actual answer is going to be 5,760 minus 2,695. Remember, if you need more room to write and that's too small, you can always get another paper, right? Or grid paper. Okay, so 5, can I take it from 0? No, so it becomes a 10. The 6 becomes a 5. Can I take 9 from 5? No. So it becomes 15, and the 7 becomes a 6. Am I good to go now? Yes. 10 minus 5 is 5. 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 minus 6 is, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So our actual answer is 3,065. Is that close to 3,000? Yep, so we're good to go. On your own, number 5, STEM. At present, the highest peak of the Appalachian Mountains is 6,684 feet. Millions of years ago, before weathering and erosion had occurred, the highest peak was about 30,000 feet. What is the difference between the highest peak millions of years ago and the highest peak today? So we need to pull out our numbers and then underline what we're looking for, okay? And then we also need to do an estimate, okay? So our estimate, do we have to estimate 30,000? Nope, it's already there for us. Is the other one going to be 6,000 or 7,000?
How do they know millions of years ago that something was
7,000. So 0, 0, 0, this becomes a 10, this becomes a 2. So 10 minus 7 is 3, and then bring down the 2. So 23,000 feet, right, is our estimate. Okay, now for our actual, we are going to take 30,000 minus 6,684. Okay, those are a lot of zeros back there, right? Okay, so I'm going to have to do quite a bit of regrouping. So the first one, the 0 becomes a 10, but I had to go next door and take 10 more, so this one becomes a 9. The next one becomes a 9. The next one becomes a 9, and then my 3 becomes a 2. Okay, so 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. And I bring down my 2. So 23,316 feet. So are those close? Yes. Okay. So our answer is reasonable. Okay, we're going to do number 6, but we're going to mark off 7 through 10. And we put a simple X through it just in case we need to come back and have a little bit more practice. We can easily erase it. We don't scribble it out or anything. And we're going to do number 6 here real quick. Okay? Number 6. Some biologists predicted there are about 27,500 species in the kingdom Promista and 306,400 species in the kingdom Protusia. How many more species are there than in each one? So 27,500, 36,400, and then we need to underline what we're looking for. So what is my problem going to be? Or which one's going to go on the top? So 36,400 minus 27,500. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. This 4 becomes a 14. This 6 becomes a 5. But can I take 7 from 5? Nope. So it becomes a 15, and this becomes a 2. 14 minus 5 is 9. 15 minus 7 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So do I need to put that? No. So 8,900 species.